Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Reddit, full guide step by step clearly. Before you start investing with Reddit, it's essential to understand the platform. Create an account on Reddit if you don't have one already. Choose subreddits that focus on investing and finance. Some popular subreddits include r/investing, r/stocks, and r/Wall Street bets. Take time to observe the discussions. Get familiar with the community culture and common terms used. Read popular posts to grasp current investing trends. Identify key influencers within these subreddits. Follow them to stay updated on their insights and suggestions. Participate in discussions to ask questions and share your thoughts. Keep in mind that not all advice is professional. Conduct your own research before making any financial decisions. Use the information you gather to form your own investment strategy. Consider creating a watch list of stocks or cryptocurrencies that interest you. Engage in this process consistently to build knowledge over time. Monitor the sentiment in the community regarding specific investments. Look for recurring themes or stocks being frequently discussed. Participate in live discussions or threads during market hours. This interaction can provide real-time insights. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Reddit is a reflection of the crowd's opinion, but always be cautious. Set personal investment goals and stick to them. Use tools and apps to help track your investments. Consider using Reddit for updates but combine it with other sources. Stay informed about market news outside of Reddit. Be open to changing your strategy based on new information. Avoid making impulsive decisions based solely on Reddit comments. Review your investment performance regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.